of all, we are going to read the attribute of model can. Attribute means its nature, how it can be used and how it cannot be used. So it is written that it is used for all person, things, and all numbers and genders. Means whatever person is there, first, second, third, it can be used with that. Second thing is there, if it non-living things and living things are there, then too it can be used. Okay. Third thing is there, suppose singular is there, then can be used. If plural is there, then too can be used. Okay. Even with the genders, genders means if male is there or female is there or no, neutral gender is there or common gender is there, four genders are there. With all the genders, can be used. Clear? Any doubt? Second line, it expresses present time and sometime future time also. Okay, both the time it can show present time also and future time also. See, sometimes we get confused, then how can it show future because it is present? No, models are showing only moods. Okay, moods means the state of mind, but they cannot show present tense and or past tense like this. Okay, different models are there for present, future, and past. Here can be used for present time also, means present tense also, and even for future tense also. So suppose with can tomorrow is given, so don't be confused that why tomorrow is written. Tomorrow will be considered correct. Clear to you? Abhishek, did you get information about this? Clear? Any doubt, then
Yes,
you can
sir.
ask at any time. Okay, you can send me chat group, so I have opened it,
Yes.
so you can see from there also. Okay, then could is its past form, means can has its past in the form of could. So where if we want to make past of can, then we can use could. Second, next thing is there, its negative form is cannot. Remember this thing, can and not cannot be separated. Okay, we can never write can, then space, then not. If we are writing like this, then it is wrong. Okay, so what you should write down? Cannot, together, single word. Okay, in present tense and future tense, but could not in past tense. Okay, so in present and future, what we will use? Cannot, and for past we will use could not. Next is there a contracted form. Okay, contracted form for cannot is there can't. C A apostrophe CAN apostrophe and then T, can't. Its contracted form is there, and couldn't is could not. Okay, these are the nature of this particular model. Now where we use? Okay, so first use. If use is not cleared, you can ask me, because there are only 8 uses. Okay, very clearly you should understand. So first one is there, indicates ability, means can indicates ability. Ability means dakshata. Okay, power of a person, that is always shown by the word can. So what mood is there? See, it can be present mood also, it can be past mood also, it can be future also, means tenses can be different, but mood will be there, ability. What mood will be there? Ability, showing ability. So check the first line, I can answer the difficult question. What is their line? I can answer the difficult question. Or we can answer the difficult question. They can answer the. Okay. So here can word is showing ability, that per we means 2 or 3 people, including I, they can answer any type of difficult question. Second, if we are asking the ability, then too we can use it. Can you answer the difficult question? Okay, we can't do the difficult question, or we cannot solve, he can. Okay, means ability of different person can be shown in one. Even inability can also be shown. Inability how? If we are using cannot, then inability means the power of not doing any work can also be shown by it. Clear to you? Okay, it means beginning 4 examples I have given where ability is shown, and then what is there? Later I have given here example, you see, inability examples. These 4 examples are there of inability, means person is not able to do the work. Okay, now what is meaning of can? Here we are reading this. Okay, what is meaning of can? So in the above sentence, can expresses the ability to do a thing that we already know. Okay, in other words, we can say that can indicates first thing, be capable of means किसी चीज के योग्य होना, be capable of किसी चीज के योग्य होना. Second is there, be able to means कुछ करने के योग्य होना. Then third is there, know how to means कोई काम कैसे किया जाता है. Okay, जानना, उसको जानना, किसी भी काम को करना जानना. Okay, as I know I can teach means I know how to teach. If sentence is there, I can teach, its meaning is there, I know how to teach. Okay, if it is written how to read or I can read, so I can read is equal to I know how to read. Clear? Means I am able to read or I am capable of reading. Any meaning we can get that. So can shows three meanings. First is there, be capable of. Second is there, be able to. And third is there, know how to do or how to act. Okay. Here some examples are given. As suppose sentence written, I can answer the difficult question. So it can also be written in the form. Second one, we are capable of answering the difficult question. We can also write in place of this, we are able to answer the difficult question. And we can also write, we know how to answer the difficult question. Means all four sentences have the same meaning. Okay, there is no difference in the meaning. Only in one model is used, in second auxiliary verb is used, in fourth one main verb is used. Okay, check there how we are getting this. Here model is used, in this are, and in this also are, in both form of be is used, that is called primary, and here no is used. Clear? Okay, so as now next thing is there, as can shows ability, so cannot shows inability. So that I have already told you. You see here, we cannot answer the difficult question, and its remaining three forms. Okay, means everywhere not will be applied. As you check here, it was there, these three, be capable of, be able to, know how to. If suppose their negatives are there, Mohammed, you refresh your window. Others are getting my voice? Amar, are you getting my voice? Ananya, my sound is coming? My sound is coming?
Sir.
Because Muhammad Ghazi is telling my sound is not clear. That means, Muhammad Ghazi, you are not sitting in that area where signals are okay. So check your signals, otherwise refresh your window. Okay. So here what we found, that we four things are there. Means in place of cannot, we can use are not capable, or we can use are not able to, or we can use don't know how to. Okay, in place of cannot. So all four sentences have the same meaning. All the four sentences have same meaning, and all are showing inability to do any work. Any doubt in this? This rule one is cleared here. Again, you can revise. It shows ability. Okay, sentence can be asked as a question also, as a negativity also. Okay, as a statement also. Okay, and then it shows three different things: be capable of, be able to, or know how to, or verb. And all the four sentences are having the same meaning. Then as can shows ability, cannot shows inability, and then meanings are given. So here also four different are possible, but all four have the same meaning. Any doubt in this? Any doubt, Shivani? Karan, any doubt? Preeti, any doubt? Anyone has any doubt in this? Okay, shall I move forward? Okay, now second C, rule B. It is written here B. Okay, indicates permission. In rule B, what it is showing? Permission. Okay, so check here. Can I use your mobile? Or yes, you can use it. So here we can understand that for asking permission and for permitting others. For both the things, the word can be used. Okay, the first sentence is there for asking permission, and the second sentence there for giving permission. Okay, for allowing permission, for granting permission. Cleared? So there are two ways for indicating permission, but can is used for this thing also. Means if you are asking permission, then too you can use can, and for just giving permission or granting permission also you can use it. Okay, if one is not allowed or not permitted, note you check. If one is not, one means koi bhi vyakti. Okay, one means koi bhi vyakti. When we are talking about for everyone, then we use it one generally. Okay, suppose permission is not given to anyone. If not given, then we can use cannot. Okay, in place of not giving permission, which is called prohibition. Prohibition means permission na dena. Prohibition means disallow kar dena, means किसी भी permission को deny कर देना. Prohibition. Clear to you? Okay, so in this way we come to know that model can be used for indicating permission, and do two types of permissions are there. First is the seeking permission, means permission from other person for demanding permission. Okay, and second is the granting permission, means for giving permission to other person or granting permission for the other person. Okay, any doubt in this rule? Any doubt in this rule? Ashutosh Shukla, any doubt in this rule? Ashutosh Shukla, do you have any doubt in this rule? Pratima, any doubt in this rule? Rashi Pandey, Rudra Pratap, any doubt in this rule? No one has doubt? I'm moving forward for the third rule. This is our third rule. See here. Indicates acquired knowledge or skill. Means if you have acquired, means प्राप्त कर ली है. Okay, if you gained some knowledge or some skill, then also you can use which word? Can, as a model there, and it will show that you have mode of acquired knowledge and you have mode of acquired skill also. As the first example, we can speak French. What it shows? The person who are included in we, means I is there or any other person who is there, can speak the language. Okay, that means they have knowledge of that language and they have skill of speaking that language. So two, both the things are shown by this. You can tell that it is showing ability. Yeah, it's looking like ability, but see here, this is means in this sentence, especially knowledge is there. Without knowledge they cannot do anything. So ability is different thing and knowledge and skill is different thing. So you have to understand this by reading many times, that how it is knowledge and how it is ability. Okay, when you are able to do something, that means you can do that work, and here it is not a work. Here what is there? This is one skill. So first of all you have to find out what things are called skills, what is called knowledge, and what is called ability. Okay, all these things, when these three questions are solved, then your tension will be over. Next is there, they can drive a motor car. So driving is also a skill, speaking is a skill, thinking is a skill. Okay, motor skill is there. So different skills are there. If you read about one topic of skill on internet, you will find out that which things are generally called skills. Okay, so here in 4 sentences you find that other they have knowledge, okay, of the same thing, otherwise they have skill of the same thing. As one next example is there, I can teach Urdu. So it is showing ability also, but it is especially what teaching is a skill. Okay, so that's why it is showing a skill. He can switch different types of cloths. Okay, stitch, sorry, stitch means sina. Okay, they means all the people about whom the speaker is talking, all the people can stitch different type of cloths. Chandravendra entered. Shivani, you should check that. Okay, Chandravendra Singh. So here what we found, that third rule is there, can be used for showing knowledge and skill also. And which kind of knowledge and skill? Acquired knowledge and acquired skill, which is already taken. Okay, all our sentence expresses the knowledge had been acquired before it is put to use. This is most important thing. Means somebody is not learning. Already the person has acquired the knowledge or had the skill, and then he has used it. Then we can use it can. Okay. Next is there. Next what is there? Can is used for indicating request also. Okay. See, whenever we are making request, then it will be a question. Which kind of sentence will be there? It will be a question. Okay, maybe in positive, maybe in negative, but it will be a question only. So when you are requesting with the help of can, then this kind of sentence will be there as they are written. Can you lend me some money? Means are you able to give me some money? Okay, because we know can means are you are able to. We have studied on the top. Again, I am showing you. Check it here. We know what is meaning of can: be capable of, be able to, and know how to. So these three are the meaning of can. So we can use the center one at any place. Okay. So now we are coming back. What was there? So here, see, can you lend me some money? Its meaning is there. Are you able to lend me some money? Then can you do me a favor? So are you able to do me a favor? Okay. So here, these all three sentences are there which are showing request. Like this, you can ask any question. Means, see, generally you are asking for in the class, may I come in? Okay, so that is also a request, but that is a polite request. Okay, and here it is not that good as request. Generally, this sentence is used by American people. Okay, so you can ask, what can I come in the class? But that would not suit you. Okay, may I is very good sentence, but if it is written can I, so it is correct sentence. Okay, in writing it is correct. Okay, but while speaking politely you should use may I come in. Clear to you? Divyansh entered, so if 11th, then take attendance. Okay, next, see, next word rule is there, indicates possibility. Possibility means something is possible or not possible. Okay, as one example is they can visit us today. So chances are there, some chances are there, that's why can is used. Okay, sometimes see different chance. Here you see, please drive slowly and safe. An accident can occur anytime. Occur means ghatit hona or to happen. What is meaning? Occur means to happen. So what is there? The person who is telling means who is talking to a driver, he is telling please drive very slowly and safe, because what is the reason? An accident can occur at any time. This is possibility because accident did not happen till now. Okay, it can occur in the future. Check it. This is a futuristic sentence. As I told you, can be used for future. So this is a sentence which is showing future and future possibility. Okay, any doubt in this? In E rule, any doubt is there? Abhishek, Shivani, Anshika, Asutosh, Ayushi, Chandravendra. In
No,
E rule, any doubt? In rule E, any doubt?
no, sir.
Okay, so we are
No,
moving
sir.
forward. Next is there. This is important because here 3, 4, 5 things are written. Okay, check there. Can indicates impatience. Impatience means adhirta, means when we are not able to control ourselves. Okay, our emotions are not in control. In that case, second is there in surprise, means suppose we are surprised because of something, then too we can use can. Okay, even disbelief means when we are not able to believe what happened, what is done, or what is before eyes. Okay, then too we can use. Incredibility is also the same, disbelief, incredulity. Okay, so now check their example. See, can he be industrious? So here what is there? Actually here disbelief or doubts are there. Which kind of? Means suppose one student is there and by chance he got 100 out of 100, and in the class he is famous that he never studies. Then everybody has a doubt, and industrious means mehanti. Okay, hard working. So we will ask question to each other, can he be industrious? Means we have doubts. Okay, and doubt questions will be definitely in question form only. Disbelief, incredulity, even surprise and impatience, all these will be in a question form. Check that. All sentences are questions. Okay. Next you see, where can my brother have put my wallet? So we are searching in our room. Okay. And our brother has kept our wallet somewhere. So now we are thinking. Okay. Impatience. It is showing impatience. How? You want wallet right now, and wallet is missing because brother has kept somewhere. So now you are talking to yourself and you are speaking sentence, where can my brother have put my wallet? And you are very much impatient. Okay, means you are not able to control yourself. So like this sentence there. Next you see, how can you be zealous? Okay, this is a surprise sentence. How? Means the person is standing just before you. He is zealous. Zealous means jalan karta hai. Isha and jalan. Okay. So you are asking that question to him or her, that how can you be so jealous? Means आप इतनी ईर्ष्या वाले कैसे हो सकते हो? How can you be? Definitely it's a surprise because person is not able to believe in this thing. Clear? The next is there, what can they be doing in the room? Okay, now this is one kind of you can tell, this is not incredulity is there, this one. Okay, means you are guessing, you are trying to guess. Okay, what can they be doing? And very important thing here. Okay, Shivani, you and 12th student will take care of 11th also. Okay, what speciality of the sentence there that I am telling you? And you can do what one thing, you can write on this sentence copy. Write first the sentence in the copy. What can they be doing in the room? Write down in copy. I'm telling very special thing is given in the sentence. Okay, what special thing is there? See, first of all, with can first form is used. Okay, so there should be a first form, but here you see fourth form is used, ing form is used. Okay, and it is active sentence because they themselves are working. So when in active sentence with can be is used, what is used? Be, B-E-B. Then it is followed by ing form. Why? Reason. Okay. Can takes first form and be is first form. So can be is correct. When can has taken first form. Now rule for be is there. Whenever be is used in any sentence as auxiliary, then the main verb comes in ing form only. As is doing, are doing, am doing, okay, was doing, were doing, been doing, okay, like the sentences are there. In the same way, if be is used as a auxiliary, then the form of verb will come ing, and it will show in the sentence continuity. And in Hindi, when you are making Hindi of this sentence, then the word raha will be used. Raha. Okay. So how you will make the Hindi? Check. What can they be doing in the room? Now, what Hindi? Anyone will be able to tell Hindi? Anyone will try? Karan, can you try Hindi of the sentence? Be doing means kar raha. Can means sakta. Sakta bhi karna hai, and you have to do raha also. Come on. Who is able to make? Anyone is there who can make Hindi of this sentence? Rule is there. One simple rule everyone should learn. If in active sentence, any form of be means the word be, this one. Any form of be comes. Okay, there are 8 forms of be. You can write down. Is, am, are, was, were, being, and been. There are 8 forms. In be also, B-E-B. So total number are there 8. I have given in the beginning. You will see in this sheet when you will get it, PDF. I have given you this thing in the beginning that there are 8 forms of be. Let me show you. This is written. Check here. This is written. Okay. Be, is, am, okay, are, am, was, were, being, and been. There are total 8 forms of be. Wherever these forms are used in active sentence, then always ing form comes. No headache, no tension. Whenever you are able to see them, then you put ing. If they are in active, you have to just take care of this thing only, that they should be active only. Clear? Shivani, any doubt? Shivani, any doubt?
No, sir.
Cleared now? Very
No, sir.
important rule was there. Done? Because we are running out
Yes,
of
sir.
time. We have only 5 minutes now. Clear this one? Hindi, you have to write down and send me in the group, okay, so that I can check who is able to write Hindi now. I am telling word by word separate, but full Hindi I will not tell. What means kya? You know very well. Can shows ability, and here it is showing surprise. They means way. Be doing means kar raha, and in the room, you know, kamre mein. Now you will make the sentence by these words, and sentence should show the mood also and show the tense also. Raha. Okay, mood is there, can. So that both thing it should show. Okay, if it is showing, that means you are able to do it. Next is there for making suggestion also, means we are, if we are suggesting something to someone, then too we can use this can word. We can forego this amount. Next is there, you can take my car if you please, means अगर आपको ठीक लगता है तो you can take my car. Suggestion is there. Okay, means if your car is there, it's okay. But if you want more spacious car, you can take my car. Suggestion is there. You want to take it or you don't want to take it. In both cases, suggestion is given. Next is there in general sentences. Okay, statements also can be used sometime and in some occasion. As a servant can be disloyal. Okay, it is showing that somebody can be. It is showing that also. You can tell general statement why it is told, because it is telling one common kind of sentence. Okay, general how it is possible in India also, it is possible in Pakistan also, it is possible in Delhi also, it is possible in our city Lucknow also. So it is general statement, means anywhere servant can be disloyal. Okay, disloyal means dishonest. Okay, then Shimla can be hot in April. Chances, okay, it may be, may not be. Clear? And most important rule of can, this is most important. Here you will learn. Okay, 2 minutes are there, very carefully you will learn. Can't help. Okay, after can't help, ing form comes. Which form will come? You should learn it, ing form. Okay, and what is meaning of can't help? That means can't avoid, means उसको अनदेखा नहीं कर सकता था, या उसके बगैर उसे बगैर करे नहीं रह सकते. Okay, as suppose I can't help laughing at his pranks, means मैं उसकी शैतानियों पर हंसे बगैर नहीं रह सकता. Okay, means मुझे अपनी हंसी पर उसकी शैतानी देख के कंट्रोल नहीं रहता. So sentence will always be written like this. Okay, this is in our lesson also in 12th class, the same lesson which we were studying. In that lesson you can find the same sentence. Okay, so here can is not used to express person's capability to do something in future. Okay, ye we important thing is there. This one is also important. Suppose in future you want to show capability, then what you have to use? Will be able to. This will be able to and first form. As example is given, I can do it after 2 weeks. So for capability we will not do. For future we can use can. This is very clear that in the beginning we have studied for future reference and future tense we can use can. But if it is the question of capability only, means person has power or not power, having power. Okay, in that case you will use will be able to and first form. Okay, means the first sentence is wrong and the second sentence is correct, but it is only for showing capability. In remaining things it is always correct. Okay, as I have told you in the beginning that which example of can was there in future, that can be, but it should not be especially capability of a person. Okay, suppose I am telling I can teach English after 3 weeks. It is wrong, because here skill or capability is shown for the future. No, I will be able to teach after 2 days. That will be written correct sentence. Okay, so whenever capability question is coming, in that case you have to change it into will be able to for future, and for present it is can, and for past it is could. Clear to you? Any doubt anyone? Any doubt, anyone? You will get one exercise also for doing it. Okay, I will send PDF also in the group. Beginning, some things I have not taught in class 12th. 11th has been taught these all things. So 11th will take care. Okay. Shivani, any doubt anywhere? Ananya? Anyone has any doubt?